Complete 457B to Gold IRA transfer checklist for 2025. Transferring a 457B into a Gold IRA in 2025 requires clarity, precision, and adherence to IRS rules. The following simplified checklist outlines the essential steps to protect your retirement capital while ensuring a smooth and compliant transition. This guide helps you execute a 457B to Gold IRA transfer efficiently and confidently. Get free Gold IRA guide and learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment. Click the link below in the description to get it. Here are the 457B to Gold IRA transfer guide. 1. Confirm eligibility. Verify whether your 457B plan allows rollovers. Governmental plans usually do, non-governmental plans often do not. 2. Review withdrawal conditions. Check whether your employer permits post-employment or in-service rollovers and whether partial rollovers are allowed. 3. Select an IRS-approved custodian. A Gold IRA requires a qualified custodian who can manage alternative assets. Choose one with transparent fees and established security standards. 4. Choose a reputable precious metals dealer. Ensure the dealer offers IRS-approved bullion products and follows strict auditing and delivery protocols. 5. Understand IRS metal requirements. Only approved bullion meets IRA standards. Gold must be 99.5% pure, while silver, platinum, and palladium have their own minimum fineness rules. 6. Choose direct over indirect rollover. A direct custodian-to-custodian transfer avoids taxes, penalties, and the 60-day risk associated with indirect rollovers. 7. Open a self-directed Gold IRA, complete all custodian forms, establish the account, and review any annual administration or storage fees. 8. Initiate the transfer request. Submit rollover forms to your 457B administrator with your new IRA details. Track communication to avoid delays. 9. Select a secure depository. Gold IRA metals must be stored in an IRS-approved vault with insurance and robust physical safeguards. 10. Purchase eligible precious metals. Once funds arrive, authorize your custodian to purchase the approved metals you selected for your retirement strategy. 11. Review compliance and performance annually. Monitor required minimum distributions, update beneficiaries, and review your precious metal allocation each year. Following the streamlined 457B to Gold IRA transfer checklist ensures your 2025 rollover is efficient, compliant, and strategically aligned with long-term retirement protection. A disciplined approach strengthens your portfolio with tangible assets that help preserve wealth in uncertain markets. Free Gold IRA Guide. Learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment. Download your free Gold IRA Guide now. Click the link below in the description to get it. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.